he might tell me, say, even though, yes, we understand you are going on a new journey, spiritual one, as a matter of fact, but the connection that you had with them, and you that supposed to lead them, I would expect them to still wrong you, especially you like Stone.
King, me talk to Stone them. Remember say it's a new journey me a go on, me a change over, a new leaf. And me talk to them about the badness. Where them a go on with pan the ends. Brother, me can't accept them something there in my new life. Me all tell them say them need for change themselves. You need for do something better for fool yourself. Me even link somebody for them. Where they call me worst enemy. Say yo, a time for changes. But Stone, him nah listen. Him nah listen what me a say. So what me for do? Stone is not a baby. Stone a big man. And if me a go look upon you as a loyal friend where you say you rate me, and me rate you, and me a look upon you and I tell you, say, dog, changes are for making up. You see journey when me a go upon in a dog. Me not tell him say for come upon the journey when me a go upon. But you need for change something about you. Get a work. Get the youth them back here for follow you too.
I'm so glad to hear you speaking like this. Because in truth and fact, a good book where you might pass it over here, pastor preach it in a sermon maybe one Sunday, does say that two cannot walk unless they agree. However, it would have been my view and my hope, say, if you find a positive path, that you would encourage them to take the same.
Exactly, that's what I did. King, let me tell you this. You can lead the donkey go away, but you can't force him to drink it. I'm literally a force. Me a force Stone.
Daddy, where I go?
So forward. Yeah? Let's go and watch TV.
Okay.
Nah, take long. Then?
Yeah.
That is it.
Well, maybe I can be of help in that regard. Because right now I am in dialogue with some international bilateral partners where I look very, very passionately towards developing inner city communities.
So you tell him that?
Yes. And he seemed to be listening, even though there is a little bit of turmoil going on between him and it is, something.
Jesus Christ.
Don't worry about it. It got sort out.
What you mean sort out? King had the life that me a run from. You see what me a talk about? Me a tell you something. You see it is a Stone, they not go stop till one of them dead. And me not depend on that. Me not have no black dress in my closet. A white me a deal with.